Cause nobody can do it like Mix Master can. Come on, I got the D-double-O style. Here we go again because it's been a while. Do me a favor, don't touch that dial. I rock from Manhattan to the Miracle Mile. My name's Mike D and I'm a lady's choice. I wanna get next to you like Rolls Royce. You all gather round, I hear my golden voice. So when it's time to run, you